welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make flowers using carrot and daikon radish. So today I'm going to show you how to make edible flowers using carrot and daikon radish. With these flowers, you can make your party plate or bento box even prettier. Let's get started. These are what you need: daikon radish and carrot. And I also have some cookie cutters. This one is sakura, this is plum, bellflower, and chrysanthemum. At first, I'm going to show you how to make these 3D carrot flowers. I'm making slices of carrot. This thickness, and let's cut it out using cookie cutters. This big carrot using this big cookie cutter, and this small carrot using small cookie cutter. Place heel of the knife between petal and make slit. So slit here, 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 and here. And all the slits meet in the middle. Then place the heel of the knife in the middle of the flower and you're shaving half of the petal off. And you have 3D carrot sakura. Bellflower. Knife between the petals and make slit. The slit is deeper here outside the flower and shallower here inside the flower. Knife in the middle of petal and shave half of the petal off. "3D bellflower." Chrysanthemum. Same thing. Knife between the petals and make slit. Deeper outside, shallower inside. Knife in the middle of the petal and shave half of the petal off. 3D carrot chrysanthemum. Now I'm going to show you different type of carrot flower. Prepare carrot about this size and cut here and here off to make rectangle shape, and either of these sides that you cut off facing down, let's cut it in half. And using vegetable peeler or vegetable slicer like this, let's make very, very thin slices of rectangle carrot. Very, very thin slice of rectangle carrot. Fold it in half this way. Cut the end off diagonally. And I'm making diagonal slit. So it's looking like this. Then I'm going to roll it up. And at this end of the roll, put toothpick. And let's release this in ice water. And carrot chrysanthemum or rose is ready. You can do the same thing with daikon radish. Let's make rectangle daikon first. Like this, and let's make thin slices. Very thin slice. Fold it in half, cut the end off diagonally and make diagonal slit. And cut the other end off diagonally. Let's roll it up. At the end of the roll, put toothpick, release this in ice water. You can change the size of flower by changing the size of rectangle. I use this smaller rectangle to make this smaller flower, and I use this bigger rectangle to make this big flower. If you want to make this bi-color flower, make thin slice of both daikon and carrot. Fold it in half, cut the end off, make slits. Do the same for carrot. Put them together and roll. Toothpick at the end of the roll and release it in ice water. Vegetable flowers are ready. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!